Welcome to the Explainer. So, how are deep learning and AI literally rescuing our damaged digital images? Let's dive in.
Okay, let's start here. We expect pristine, flawless quality from our digital images today, right? But the reality? Well, image degradation totally shatters those expectations, hiding the true visual data underneath. Things like random sensor noise, nasty motion blur, and weird color artifacts completely ruin our shots. Historically, we tried reverse engineering this mess using fixed mathematical formulas. It was like solving a giant puzzle. But these old spatial methods, pure blunt instruments, they relied on basic filtering to literally just guess missing pixels. And those frequency domain methods are so super sensitive, they sometimes actually amplified the noise. No way, right? So the big trade-off? You had to sacrifice sharp, crisp resolution just to dial down that noise. Thankfully, deep learning is totally shattering those limits. AI is completely revolutionizing modern image restoration. Modern AI acts like a brilliant artist, using powerful neural networks to easily handle complex, heavy degradation. Take CNNs. They don't just blur over noise. They intelligently reconstruct high-res details from barely any info. And GANs go even further. They dynamically generate and hallucinate realistic missing textures. It's absolute magic. This processing power means stunning quality now meets lightning-fast computation. It's a real game changer for everyday life. Like in forensics, AI actually helps catch criminals by recovering crucial faces from incredibly low-quality surveillance footage. In medical imaging, slicing through noise and boosting contrast in MRIs directly improves those critical, life-saving diagnoses. Even your smartphone photos benefit. AI instantly fixes camera shake and breathes life back into torn vintage photos. It even preserves our collective history, rescuing faded details and ancient artworks for future generations to enjoy. Looking ahead, emerging tech like computational photography is going to unlock even crazier possibilities for digital restoration. So, as deep learning perfectly hallucinates these lost details, what is the actual future of our visual reality?